Hey guys, let's start with an incredibly simple pineapple lemonade. I need about half a pineapple for this. I'll chop it and then process it in the food processor. I'll run the pineapple puree through a sieve so that I can separate the pulp from the juice. I only need the juice for this recipe. Now to the pineapple juice, I'm adding fresh lemon juice, honey syrup, you can also use simple syrup, and 2 cups of water. Just give everything a good mix and your pineapple lemonade is ready. For the garnish, I'm just gonna get a little charred color on my pineapple wedge using my kitchen torch. Next up is this very summery fruity cocktail with peaches and strawberries. I'll start by rimming the edge of my glass with some caster sugar. I've frozen about 8 to 10 peaches overnight. I'll add my frozen peaches to the food processor with 1 cup of crushed ice and also 2 to 3 teaspoons of simple syrup or honey syrup. Process everything in the food processor until it looks like this very delicious thick frozen mix. I'm topping it with sparkling wine, but you could also use sparkling water. It's extremely refreshing and delicious. Our third summer cooler has orange, mangoes and soda. I'm using chili powder and caster sugar to rim my glass this time. For this recipe, you need about half a cup of orange juice and puree of 2 mangoes. To the mangoes, add your half a cup of orange juice and your simple syrup or your honey syrup, whatever you like to use, and process everything together really well. Now transfer your thick fruity mixture into a glass with ice and top it with sparkling water.